My name is Via.
My name is Adrian Poltenorio.
My name is Daniel Caram Panganiban.
And we are here to present our short recap on our topic, gravity. So what is gravity? Gravity is what holds the planet in orbit around the sun and what keeps the moon in orbit around the earth. It is the force that pulls everything towards its center. So, to keep it simple, gravity is an invisible force that pulls objects toward each other. Earth's gravity is what keeps you on the ground and what makes things fall. Anything that has mass also has gravity. Objects with more mass have more gravity. In the late 1600s, Sir Isaac Newton came up with the law of gravity, which is also known as the universal law of gravitation. Newton's inspiration for deducing the revolutionary law of gravity was an apple falling from the tree. Newton had a simple question out of curiosity. Why was the apple falling down instead of either sideways or upward? So Newton's law of gravitation was introduced, and it states that any particle of matter in the universe attracts any other particle with a force varying directly as the product of the masses and inversely as the square of the distance between them. Hence, creating the formula force of gravity is equals to gravitation constant multiplied to the product of the masses and divided by the square of the distance. The gravitational force value is 9.80665 meters per second squared. And for the gravitational constant value, it is 6.673 times 10 raised to negative 11.
So for the gravitational field, the formula was derived from weight force equals to mass times gravity. And mass times gravity equals to gravitation constant times mass 1 times mass 2 over distance squared, which leads us to the final formula of gravity equals to gravitation constant times mass over distance squared.
And for the formula for gravitational work is equals to gravitational constants times mass 1 times mass 2 over distance 2 minus gravitational constants times mass 1 times mass 2 over distance 1.
So for the formula of escape velocity, the escape velocity is equals to square root of 2 times gravitation constant times mass over distance.
And for the planetary motion, Kepler created 3 laws. The first law is the law of elliptical orbits.
This is a simple law that states that the orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the two foci. Aphelion is the farthest distance to the sun, while perihelion is the closest distance of a planet to the sun.
The second law is the law of equal areas.
The law of equal areas states that all calculated areas resulting from a planet's movement around the sun are all equal to values. A radius vector joining any planet to the sun sweeps out equal areas in equal lengths of time. To demonstrate, imagine a pizza slice. The perihelion creates a very wide triangle or a big pizza slice because it is close to the sun, while the aphelion, on the other hand, creates a narrow slice. They may look different in terms of their sizes and shapes, but both slices have equal areas and equal lengths of time.
The third law is the law of harmonies.
The law of harmony states that by observing the motions of two planets moving around the sun, therein lies the calculated ratio of the squares of the planets period is equals to the ratio of the squares of the planet's distance from the sun. The squares of the sidereal periods or of revolution of the planets are directly proportional to the cubes of their mean distance from the sun.
To fully explain Kepler's three laws of planetary motion, here is a graphic demonstration. The first law shows that the orbits are ellipses. The second law shows that equal areas in equal time. And the third law shows a calculated ratio where the ratio of the squares of the planet's period is equal to the ratio of the cubes of the planet's average distances from the sun.
And that is all for our presentation about gravity. I hope you learned a thing or two. Again, my name is Via.
My name is Adrian Paul Tenorio.
My name is Daniel Canoy Panganiban.
Thank you for watching.